Today we are going to introduce a new model to you all. The 东风猛士EQ 2015B
is a 1.5-ton high mobility off-road vehicle
equipped with a Cummins engine and fuel-time four-wheel drive. It can conquer complex terrains such as jungles and desert, and also has the capability of being air-dropped with optional winding and vision configurations. It is suitable for command and reconnaissance tasks, making it a powerful multi-purpose vehicle. That's all for today's presentation. See you in the next one.